and welcome to today's Rand Squawk Weekly Wrap. This week, focus has mainly been on three key monetary policy decisions, as well as today's US non-farm payrolls report. First rate decision we're going to look at is the Bank of Japan, which, as a reminder, this was the first rate decision and meeting with new Governor Kuroda after Shirakawa has left, as well as Deputy Governors Iwata and Nakaso. The Bank of Japan announced their new quantitative easing programme, which basically means that they're going to bring forward their open asset purchases from 2014 start to as soon as possible. They're also going to target longer dated maturities up to 40 years, whereas previously they had been buying in a 2 to 5 year bracket. We have seen yen weaken significantly following this announcement. The next rate decision I'm going to focus on was the Bank of England, where they kept their monetary policy instruments on hold with rates at 0.5% and their asset purchase facility at £375 billion. Later on that afternoon, we then had the ECB rate decision, where they kept their main refinancing rate at 0.75%. However, in the press conference that followed, ECB President Draghi said that monetary policy will remain accommodative for as long as needed. Then on to today, obviously we had the US non-farm payrolls report, which came in at 88,000, which is a big miss from the expected 190,000. And as such, we've seen weakness in equities and strength in T-notes today. So looking ahead to next week then, we've got the FOMC minutes from their March meeting, where as a reminder they kept their interest rates on hold and also continued with their $85 billion per month asset purchases. However, recently there has been speculation that the Fed may begin discussing tapering their QE programme due to strength in the jobs market. However, obviously as we've just seen today, US non-farm payrolls came in much weaker than expected, which may put these thoughts on the back burner for now. Next week also is the start of earnings season in the US, with Alcoa due to report on Monday. However, it is a quiet week in terms of earnings, with some of the larger financial stocks reporting on Friday, including Wells Fargo and JP Morgan. That's all from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend.